The HeatPump ventless dryer uses a condenser to remove moisture from the drum. The condenser can build up with lint over time and requires monthly cleaning. There's a cover in the front bottom right of the dryer where you can access the condenser. To clean, I want to make sure the dryer is cool. I recommend using a brush with stiff bristles or a vacuum. If using a brush like this, be careful about the plastic at the top, which can dent the fins. I would recommend using a bottle brush or similar with bristles at the top. I can also use a vacuum with a brush attachment. Be careful of using anything hard that could possibly dent the fins on the condenser. I push the top to open the panel, then turn and unlock the cover. This isn't too dirty, but it can build up on the sides over time. I'm going to use the bottle brush to remove any lint or hair and just brush it out. It's better to clean occasionally for better performance than to clean when you've discovered your dryer performance is degraded. You can see now the fins are clear of any large pieces. I'm going to put the cover back on. There's a small tab at the bottom that goes in first so I can pop it back in and lock the cover easily. After manually cleaning, I'd recommend running a condenser care cycle which flushes the condenser with water. To do this, remove both the inner filter and outer filters of the dryer and push the trap cover down and slowly pour in a liter of water. Now reinsert both filters and close the dryer door. Go to Options, Cycle List Edit, and add the condenser care cycle to the cycle list. Then start the condenser care.